I use PEX connectors and PEX piping, tubing. Anyway, this is the crimper I use. Probably made in China, so it's made of Chinesium. But anyway, it does work. It was purchased at the place that makes that. We all know who that is. Anyway, so it has a little LED indicator, and it glows blue when you've applied sufficient pressure. Not sure how it determines that. It doesn't shine anymore because the battery is dead. So we're going to replace the battery. It takes a couple of Phillips screws. Excuse my hands. And let's see if I can swing that out of the way. No. It's spring-loaded, so it's probably going to pop out. It's got a wire connected to it. So another reason to be very careful. Notice the position. It's a negative side. Okay, so get that other one out. So there's two batteries back to back, and there's a little spring. So there's a little spring in here. Doink doink. And that keeps these batteries in sufficient pressure. Yada yada, whatever. So they're lithium cell, I don't know, can you read that? CR927. I guess I can read the packaging. So that's what you need. Lithium battery 927, CR927. So I'll take these two, hopefully fresh. I've had them since I bought the tool, so who can tell whether they're still usable. So there's one. There's two, and we'll just press that here and secure amidst the Phillips Cousteau screws. If you put them in backwards, they'll create a black hole, so don't put them in backwards. So let's ratchet this sucker and see if it works. And there's the little blue light. Can you see the blue light? All right. Ta-da! That was it. Very easy to